So folks, you just got a hot lead in off your buyer IDX or a Zillow call. I'm going to give you the one question that you should ask that's going to increase your conversion rate by 50%. Are you ready? All right, first, I know you're probably using something like LP Mama or another one of those buyer conversion questionnaires that we all use, but the one thing that we forget to do is to meet people at their point of need. And this question alone is going to instantly put you in rapport with those people and let them know that you're there to serve what it is that they're looking for. And that question is this. So, Mr. and Mrs. So-and-so, I understand you're interested in that property here at 1571 Hidden Glen. Would you like to go see that property today, right now? That's all you got to ask them, instead of saying, hey, well, that's a great property, you know, are you buying, or are you window shopping, or this or that or the other? Because you're going to know exactly what properties they've been looking at. Go ahead and try to make that contact, because remember, folks, who is it that wins 99% of the time? And it's the first agent to make face-to-face contact with that prospect. So get out there and get face-to-face.